Here in this expo, we showing our few of our drones making with our company RAROG Aerospace. So this is our fixed-wing kamikaze drone. So it's very cost effectively because it's made by 3D print, and so the distance it will be of using it's 60 kilometers, and it's already combat proven. And it's supplied to the armed forces. Also, our company RAROG is creating ammunition. It's a special ammunition for our drones and especially for this plane, because we need to understand that we cannot use any ammunition. We need to create ammunition that balance it with the wings that he can fly properly. So mostly we use ammunition. It's combined with cumulative stream and shrapnel. We had this decision because when you on a free hunt, when you flying, you never know what target you spot. So it can be a light armored vehicle, just vehicle, or infantry group. So we create universal ammo for all these targets. We have here one of our experimental drone. The interesting solution in here, the batteries in the side. We did it because when drone is blown up, batteries will be extra shrapnel charges. And this is our drone carrier. So this is a repeater carrier. So the main key features of this drone that he can be in the sky like 1 hour. That'd be enough to the using him as a repeater with combine it with this drone and these types of FPV drone. Also, we got our ground station. So this is now it's older model because we create now a new models. So it's all codified. It's all using Ukrainian Defense Forces. This is production that we represent from RAROG and RAROG Aerospace. This is our combat uniform. So we have here battle pants with the knee pads and combat shirt. As an experience of our war, so we have most wounded of our guys with the shrapnel. So we try not to use just the plate carriers. We try and use more ballistic protection. So we have here ballistic protection of the legs. The main feature of this body armor that if your soldier was wounded, combat medic need to quick access to give him first aid. So we create this type of quick release. You just put and you release it. And it's very quickly to assemble it. This is not only what we produce, but this is one of our most popular models.